check for advanced restart button. As you can see, it's available in this ROM. I am directly booting into recovery using that. If you don't have that, you can press the volume up button and power button simultaneously to boot into recovery. Use the TWRP latest recovery. As you can see in this video, I already made a dedicated video for that TWRP recovery for Poco X3 device /NFC. It's applicable for both the devices. I have Poco X3 here. You can see this is the TWRP recovery version. Use the same version. Once it's booted into recovery, go to wipe section and select your advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache and data and swipe here to wipe it. Once that has been done, go to home section and select install and select the micro SD card, and wherever you downloaded the ROM zip file, first go there. Here I am flashing this xiaomi.eu. you can see here 13.0.1.0. this is the ROM available, so no need to flash the firmware. If you want, you can flash it, nothing problem here. I'll go back this one, select this and flash it. It takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. This is version 13 Android 12 MIUI 13. This is the latest build available. This is an xiaomi.eu for Poco X3/NFC. You can see here the ROM zip file has been flashed successfully. Go to home section here and select wipe and select advanced wipe and select here YES and press this tick button. Done. Again go to home and select reboot and select the system. This is how simple the flashing method of any custom ROMs for Poco X3/NFC. Every time you need to use the firmware. Here I am just skipping because it's a main OS update here. That's how. And this is EU version. If I can get time, I'll make the global or Indian versions too. Stay tuned to my channel and let's begin this video. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath's FX YouTube channel, and this is Poco X3 custom ROM reviews. In this video, I am reviewing this xiaomi.eu. you can see here 13.0.1 stable MIUI version with July security patch, and Android version 12. You can see here this is the latest build available. I mean, this is an update for EU ROM. You can see you can manually update also. And flashing method, as I said, if you are coming from some other ROMs, you can flash that. You need to be unlocked the bootloader. I'll give the card how to unlock the bootloader too. This is how the MIUI 13.0.1 version, and I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 10 minutes. You can see here the maximum is 168 and average is 149 and minimum is 113. Its throttling is a little bit there. As you can see, after 2 to 3 minutes it's been throttling, but it's not completely throttling as you see in the graph, and it's throttled to 82% of its max performance, which is good in my opinion. After few days it will settle down to its actual performance, and this was run in the balanced mode. If I keep it in performance mode, the throttling you might not be noticed. That you need to keep in mind in which mode it is available. You need to first check that. Later, coming to dialer, here it's standard MIUI dialer. You can see here direct video call feature is available in this ROM, and call recording feature is also available. This is an EU variant of the ROM, and if time permits, I can make the global and even the Indian version of this 13.0.1 based on Android 12. Coming to apps reviews, first I'll start with the camera application. You get standard MIUI camera application here. You can see all the portrait mode, night mode, more features. Nothing new has been added, but the given features are also working fine in that. No problem. As you can see, the volume panel, this is the MIUI 13 style volume panel. You get cancel download log. No. In the vlog mode, you get all the things. It takes a little bit of time whenever you download the vlogs for the first time. As you can see, nothing new has been added in the Android 12 of this camera application. And good thing is you can use the Gcam ports. I am using here Arno build Gcam. If you want, you can use any other Gcam ports like Greatness, Nikita, whatever it is. All the Gcam ports are available for Poco X, are working fine, but this one have this ultra wide angle also working fine in this ROM. Not only in this ROM, in any ROMs this camera going to be work fine. Now coming to Antutu benchmark result, before going into that, this is the control center. You get new type and the proper vertical lines of music and automatic brightness sensor is now in the vertical. As you can see, the app opening time taking a little bit of time. It takes some time to settle down this particular ROM, and you can see here the maximum score I got is 3,56,090, and you can see here the temperature raise was 6.8 degrees Celsius and battery drop was 3% during this Android benchmark testing in MIUI 13.0.1 Android 12 ROM for Poco X3/NFC. You can see on the screen. That's how it is. The scores are very good, especially let me show you the Geekbench score here. Again, the app opening taking a little bit of time in this particular ROM. You can see the single score is 559 and multi score is 1793, and kernel used here is Linux 4.14.190. Puff Surya kernel has been used. It's recognized as kernel. You can use anything, and the pill is also visible properly in my opinion. This is very good ROM as of now. Very good update, I can say, from EU. As you can see, the app opening is a little bit laggy, but I'm taking time, not laggy. Here the UI interface wise is very good, and I have here like 100 Mbps Geo Giga Fiber connection. As you can see, it's pulling up to 90 to 95 Mbps, which is fine in my opinion. And even the mobile data connection is also working fine. I have checked with that also, it's working fine. I recommend to use Wi-Fi, but if you don't have that and if your network provider is very good in your location, then you will get very good speeds using the 4G LTE. And the carrier aggregation support is still available. That's not missed in this particular update or ROM. That's fine in my opinion. Coming now into gallery, like we get this kind of simple gallery application from MIUI. It looks simple, but under the hood you get plenty of customization. As you can see, you can add to album and you can create the PDF from given picture. Whatever you capture, you can directly convert it into PDF that's available, and you can recognize the text wherever the text is available. You can copy that. This is an pure Android 12 style. I mean, as you can see, it converted all the text into one form, and you can save and you can copy paste and you can do anything from that. And adjust feature is there. You can crop or you can customize the screenshot here. It takes a time for first time, but obviously, as you can see, you can change the black and white to original color and you can enhance that. Those are the basic things, and you can even crop the screenshot you taken. Coming into next feature like protective watermark, you can customize the watermark. I mean, you can add your name or whatever it is. You can have a watermark on your screenshot. I mean, any photos. Set as wallpaper slide. So that was their rename. Google Lens, you can directly move into Google Lens and details you can see of the image. This is how the gallery application. And in the edit section there are some options like beautify, crop, filter, adjust, sky option still available. You can change the real-time sky. Whenever the photo detect the sky in the photo, then you can edit that using sky option, and frame, mosaic, text. These are the things that was there before itself. Now coming into some basic functions like this quick settings panel like torch, airplane mode, Bluetooth, screenshot. As you can see, these are fine enough, taking a little bit of time. That's my worry here, but overall the ROM is very good. Screen recording feature is also available. As you can see in the settings, you get all the basic settings like you can choose the sound source from mic, mute or system sounds. You can't choose both of the sounds here, modes. And resolution of video quality, you can see orientation, and still you get frame rate up to 30 fps only, no 60 fps in custom ROM. So you can do that. That's how it is. My channel is meant for that. You can watch my videos regarding this Poco X3. And by the way, if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below guys, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. And regarding DRM info, you can see here it's level 1 certification. You can watch all the OTT application in high definition, I mean HD resolution. That's possible with this particular ROM or the update. You can see on the screen. And if you like the video, give it a like also guys. And themes, you get all the EU version themes here. You just need to add here, and wallpapers are also pre-installed. Everything is available in this particular ROM. Let me go into settings, actual settings. What are the settings available in this ROM or the update? This is 13.0.1. Basic settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connection, sharing. You get all the caching features and everything. Private DNS, VPN, portable hotspot, nearby shared Android Auto, Chromebook, and whatever it is, scanning, those things are available even in the camera also, and casting is also available. Wallpapers and personalization, here you get plenty of options. No always on display, if you want that you can choose the Abi X ROG edition. I already made that video, I'll give the link here, you can check out in the cards section. And library, you get plenty of super live wallpapers are also pre-installed here, and MIUI 13 and 12 wallpapers are also installed here. Molten glass and crystallization, these are the wallpapers that have been added in this particular application. And themes, you can directly move from here, and this is the default theme. If you want, you can choose the limitless, and if you want, there are plenty of themes available in the theme store. Notification ringtones, alarm tones, you can separately choose, and default font also you can change, and size of that also can be customizable. Lock screen settings, you get again same settings, nothing new here. As you can see, charging animation, you can choose from that. And display settings, switching between light mode and dark mode, as you can see, it taking a little bit of time, it's still not fixed, that should be smooth enough, but anyhow. And brightness level, you can see here, reading mode is there, and brightness level here, the sunlight mode has been removed from this particular ROM. Maybe it's in EU, in Indian version it's still present, I'll do if time permits. And you can see color scheme, you can choose here, and warm, cool, custom themes you can customize from here. Refresh rate 60, 120, standard I kept to 120. This is an adaptive refresh rate for Poco XC/NFT. It will be from 29 or 30 fps to 120 fps. It will be adaptive refresh rate. Font settings, as I said before, it's Mi Sans, that's pre-installed here. These are the display settings, nothing new here. Sound and vibration is also additional settings, you get basic things like enable or disable from here. Haptic feedback, strength, it's missing here, just you need to enable and disable, but no strength option is given here. Sound effects is given, you can see here preset, that's still available. We don't have Dolby Atmos as of now. If you want that, you need to root your smartphone or use the pre-rooted ROMs. Many are available. Notification and control center, you get basic thing, app notifications you can customize from here. Notification shade, again MIUI and Android, and show weather information, if you want you can disable from there. Control center style, old one, new one, and you get some of the options like quick settings layout. If you keep it to old, then you get this option, compact or default. And switch control center side, if you want you can choose this side of the control center. And collapse after touch, those are the options you get. Status bar, you get these things. Battery indicator, and just enable if you want, and edit carrier name, if you want you can edit them. Hide notch in individual apps, and if you want to choose like some other apps is not playing in full screen, just enable always show notch, then it will be playable in full screen. Sound and vibration, notification controls. And now coming to home screen, you get system navigation, gesture buttons, and gesture bar is visible. If you want to disable, you can hide full screen indicator if you want. And traditional buttons are also working fine and fluid enough to use this. And animation, as you can see, relaxed, balanced, and fast. If you keep to fast, then the user interface become little bit faster compared to relaxed and balanced. Double tap to lock screen is available. Fill seals on cells of uninstalled apps, and lock home screen layout. Home screen layout 4x6 to 6x7 are allowed. Icons also you can change from here, depend upon whatever theme you have installed. Global icon animation, if you want you can disable that. These are the home screen settings. Password and security, you get basic screen lock and fingerprint unlock and face unlock. Let me show you with fingerprint unlock. As you can see, it taking a little bit of time. I removed the case also, you can see backside, that's how it is. And face unlock is very quick, you can see here, just tap gets unlocked. As you can see, the face unlock is very quick in this particular update or ROM. Now moving into settings, you get battery setting. This is very important. Battery life, as you can see, you can keep battery, save battery, and performance mode. In the performance mode you get very good performance, trust me. And if you want very good battery life, keep it in balance. No need to use that save battery method, just use balance mode in order to get you very good battery life. And don't use this ultra battery saver, it will drain the battery. It continuously check for what app is running in the background. These things you need to keep in mind to get your smartphone very good battery life. Special features, you get just floating windows, second space, and light mode. App locker is missing here. And additional settings, you get all the basic things here. Language and input, you can choose reason, and date and time also you can customize them. And clear speaker option there, one-handed mode is there, quick ball is there, LED light, gesture shortcuts you can customize them. memory extension up to 2 GB is given for 6 GB RAM variant. For 8 GB RAM variant it might be 1 more GB, 3 GB. Accessibility menu is working fine, no problem regarding that. These are the basic things and customization and settings of this MIUI 13.0.1 based on Android 12. Now starting with the gameplays, I'll start with the Call of Duty, how it handles. Let me check. You can see here the graphics is set to low and max frame rate. It's fine enough. The Call of Duty is going to be fine. The BGMI as of now not available in the Play Store. Once it's get available, I'll be making the review of that too. Already made many, and you get this kind of new gaming mode here. Voice changer, timer, none. You can choose settings here. As you can see, it has enhanced, but now saturated and bright and saturated. This you keep it, it will help you in night mode games. And you can use the apps from here. You can directly use the WhatsApp. This is by the use of floating window. And loudness is also fine enough. You can see I kept 70% of this volume, and vibrating it's still there, but it's not that much when the phone was launched. Right now it's fine, under control. You can see how it handled the gameplay here. It's not as loud as MIUI Mint version that I was keep on telling. At least in Abi X ROG edition there was loudness very good compared to this one, little bit better. You guys can comment down below how is the loudness in this particular ROM, because you watch all the videos. And RAM management is also very good. It can take 2 big games in the memory. It depends also. If you wait for a long time, it will be booted out of the memory. Those things you need to consider. But simple usage apps like basic social media apps, it takes 6 to 8 apps also in the memory. I am using 6 GB variant. If you have 8 GB variant, another 2 apps you can add them. Now after 12.5.7.0, 12.5.8.0 has been released. That was a little bit okay. Now 13.0.1 I can recommend. You can go and update your smartphone, or you can flash this custom ROM EU variant. It completely depends upon you guys. But if you are waiting to update this particular update, you can directly update it without any issues. If you feel any problem or issues in this particular update or ROM, you can comment down below such that other people can understand. I'll come back from this game and I'll show you the Apex Legends here. You can see here, this is Apex Legends. I tried to change FPP to TPP. I did not found any option there. But first match I played in TPP only. This is like what we can see, playground mode. This is, if I even exit also, let me show you, leave. I'm not going to use the battleground mode. At first it was coming. If you guys know how to enable that, just tell me down below in the comment section guys. I'll make that. And firing range practice is available, Legends is available, tap to enter. I kept this one only, but it's not working here. And settings I can show you, like graphics and settings. You can see I kept to smooth and very high refresh rate. It's fine here. And vivid, you can change some of the things. And gameplay was really fine in this particular ROM. Many people ask about that, about Apex Legends. I played previously, but I don't know how to get into that mode, battleground mode. Now it's showing you need to be at least level 8 to play the battleground mode. But earlier I used to play, but right now it's not working, hence I'm not going to show you the gameplay. That's how it is. And I'll come back. This is the MIUI 13.0.1 based on Android 12, and you can see here turbocharging support is also available in this particular ROM. You can definitely try it out as a daily driver, and if you want to update it from 12.5.8, go and update it. There are no bugs whatsoever. As you can see, even the fingerprint unlock is also fine here. That's how it is. It is taking time. Maybe I haven't registered properly, but overall the ROM is very good. I mean, the update is very good. You can definitely try it out as a daily driver, and I can say this is a very good gaming ROM too. And notes feature something has been added that's already there in my 12.5 versions. That's how it is. If I forget to tell anything in this particular ROM, you can comment down below. I'll definitely try to address your comment. And thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.